Hi, I'm Jerry from GlassEyesOnline.com, and we had some ideas about what we can do with the 35 and 40 millimeters solid color black and white button eyes. And we came up with some ideas, and one of the ideas was to incorporate our lure lens eyes onto the solid white to create a pupil. And we found these eyes at Dollar Tree. And we thought, well, we could glue those on, and that would be another interesting eye. And there's several different sizes you can buy in these packs. In addition to that, we also thought that maybe some of these stickers could add a little bit of color or fantasy for your monsters or your or whatever you want to create. And you could also go with this and perhaps double out with a black eye and create something a little bit different. I would probably use a glue to glue those on. My favorite glue is, it's called 527, and I purchased this at Walmart. It's in their craft section, not in their glue or paint section. You got to go to the craft department. It works well on plastic, glass, metal. Let me show you a sample of what I did earlier. I did glue these on. As you can see, they're not coming off. To give you an idea of what a pair looks like for your monster. And here's a pair with the lure eye glued on. These are on sale now. 40 millimeter and black and white and 35 millimeter. They're on sale for 30 cents a pair. With the washers. A pair. That's 2 eyes and 2 washers. Y'all have a nice day now.